Hey my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans, here with another one. Intentional vlogging. Intentional vlogging. I'm going to make something really quick, easy. I don't know. I might have made it before, but I'm making it again. So it's going to be nachos. So I've got some chopped meat here in the pan. We're going to put them on some tortillas and spread some soft cheese all over it. And we're going to eat it up because I am starving. But first I want to say thank you. Thank you to everybody. I can't help but say thank you. I truly can't help but say thank you. Because without you guys, it will be no Retired Shenanigan. But I appreciate everyone, every single person that watches my video. I truly appreciate you. So let's get in here. Let's cook these nachos. Okay, as y'all see, it ain't much meat because it's just me. Nobody's gonna eat it but me. Just little old me. Retired Shenanigans. So we're gonna cook up this chopped meat. We're gonna season it. I'm gonna season it with some of this garlic and herb. We love that. We love that stuff, don't we? We love that stuff. We're gonna try some beef chief. Beef chief. We don't need much because we're gonna put some taco seasoning in it. Let me find it if I have it. I got some right here. But we're gonna put this taco seasoning in after we cook up the meat. How's everybody day doing today? I hope it's going well. I'm having a good day. I'm having a good day. I'm having a good day. I like chopped meat. I like chopped meat better than ground turkey. I call it chopped meat. Ground beef better than ground turkey, ground chicken, ground pork, whatever. I always use ground beef. Y'all know, y'all see that when I cook. Inspirational today. Inspirational word today is thank you, Jesus. I'm gonna thank him. I'm gonna eventually tell my story one day. You know, it's nothing dramatic. It's nothing. Oh my God, I feel, but I do have a story. We all have a story. And right now, I don't feel comfortable telling my story like that. But I will tell it eventually as I get better and better and better and better at this vlogging. So I'm going to come back when this is up and moving around. Oh, we sound like we're moving already. And we're going to put our tacos, meat in it. And we're going to be ready. All right. See you when I get back. So we're cooking. Coming along. We want all this to be done when we get ready to put the stuff in it. We're going to add a little more seasoning, probably. Not nothing too major. Maybe like a little smoked paprika or something like that. Because this is going to be enough for me. It's just me. It's just me eating. My fiance went out. He got off work and he went out. Sometimes it's good that he go out after work because I'm not here during the day. And I go out to the senior center a lot. I went today, but then I came home early. Try to get a nap because I had to go visit somebody in the hospital that I go see. And now I'm home and he's gone. So that's what makes our relationship work. You know? So we'll talk about that too. About what's coming up next in that journey. So it's a little grease in here I want to get rid of. So we use the paper towel thingy. We use the paper towel. to drain up all that juice. Cut my fire down some. Pat it. You know. See? I got rid of all that grease. All that grease. And like I was saying, we're going to talk about that other good stuff, you know, the wedding, when I'm getting married, where I'm getting married, how I'm getting married. We're going to pour this taco seasoning in it. It's a lot in here. Probably too much for this. Then we're going to pour a little water. And we're going to season it all up. See how quick this is? This is quick. Just a little bit. A little bit more. And then we're going to stir it all up. And we're going to let that cook down. You know, you got to put a little water in it to get that taco seasoning going, because it's powder. And we just took all the grease out. So that's water. Let it cook up. Cook down. Right? Let that water cook out. But you know what I'm going to put? I'm going to put a little of my chopped onion. I like these things. I like these things. Not much. A little bit. A little bit. Stir it up. Stir it up. That's done. That is definitely done. All right. We're going to come back when I put it on the plate and eating them. All right. I'm going to use some of this cheese. This is Family Dollar cheese. Yep. I'm gonna put some in this bowl because I want to heat it up. Because it's cold. I just took it out the refrigerator. So I don't want it too cold on my thing. So I'm going to put it in my microwave and heat it up some. Heat it up some. So I want to show you the cheese that I'm using, and I'm going to show you the chips. Hold on, let me get them. Tostitos. All right. We're going to make our plate. We'll come back when we're eating. Okay, my friends. Here's my nachos. My nachos. Do you see them? They are nacho tortillas with meat on it and cheese. So, so good, so good, so good. Anyway, remember the last video I did, I was choking when I was eating. I'm not going to do that. So I want to thank you guys for coming along today while I made this quick snack, dinner, lunch, whatever you want to call it for yourself. It's quick, easy, not too cheap now anymore, because I don't know. Chopped meat costs a lot. I can't believe how much it was when I went in the store. I couldn't believe how much it cost when I went in the store. But anyway, we having it. And on that note, thank you to my new, old, and future subscribers, and the ones who are coming along and just watching because you like my vibe. I appreciate you, but I wish you would subscribe. Subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you guys on the next one.